Hello everyone! Meron na naman akong kakantahin na galing sa reading materials na binigay sa amin ng aming sir itong Fruitless Path. Hindi ko na ulit babasahin yung title, diretso na kanta everyone. So, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! And in sign times, a ruler in China falls to pick his successor by appointing a game. He asked participants to grow a shot, and the most pretty shot will win the match. Clank work soccer with a resolution. However, he fails to get a shot, but the journally present it fruitless spot in front of the roller. The roller realized that he was broke. Bored with the devotion, and he should get awarded for his